We built this house recently for a client. We've analysed the way they wanted to live in the house. The house was a beachfront property. Obviously they wanted a connection to the beach. However, also they had grandchildren, they had visitors coming from the mainland. So they wanted a house that had a separate zone where guests, grandchildren could come and stay, but not necessarily take over the whole house. The central section of the house was the entry, and the traffic flows were set up so people could go left or right to their particular area. They're not walking through areas of the house that are affecting the people in that particular zone. This particular house also had magnificent views of the Derwent and going all the way up to Mount Wellington. So it was important in this particular case to maximise the views from the main living areas. It was also important that from the lounge room we could look through the family room out to Mount Wellington. Every room in the house got a view of the water. Now, you can't get that sort of a thing from a project house. It has to be designed to fit that particular location. And I must say we've got some very, very happy clients because the design worked very well for them. The other part of that exercise was also having solar heating. All the windows were double glazed, all the walls were insulated internally and externally. So the house created a very warm environment. It was a soft environment. That means that there was no noise transfer between rooms. Bathrooms were isolated with sound check plaster and insulation. Again, I refer that there's more to the plan. There's a lot more things that have to be thought of to make the house a very nice livable environment.